Welcome to today's English quiz. Hello, guys. Welcome back to Teach Fair with Ayuk. Get ready to test your English skills in a fun and interactive way. In this quiz, you will answer 15 questions, each with 4 choices. Take your time, think carefully, and try your best. You will have a few seconds for each question, so stay focused. Don't worry if you make mistakes. This is a great chance to learn and improve your English. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. Tell us which question was the most difficult and which one was the easiest. And if you have any areas that you want us to set more questions or to do more quiz, don't forget to recommend in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's begin and have fun learning. Trivia quiz. Play quiz. How to play the game. There will be a question. You should answer the questions. Are you ready? Let's go. Question number 1. Choose the correct word. I blank a teacher. A, am. B, is. C, are. D, be. The correct answer is I am a teacher. Question number 2. What is the past of eat? A, eaten. B, eated. C, ate. D, eaten. The correct answer is ate. Question number 3. Choose the correct sentence. He don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. He not like coffee. The correct answer is he doesn't like coffee. Question number 4. What is the opposite of big? Tall, long, short, small. The correct answer is small. Question number 4. Fill in the blank. They playing football now. Is, am, are, be. The correct answer is C, are. They are playing football now. Question number 6. Choose the correct question. Where you are going. Where are you going? Where you going are. Where going you are. The correct answer is where are you going? Question number 7. What is the plural of child? Childs, children's, children, childish. The correct answer is children, C. Next question. I have blank apple. A, N, the, some. The correct answer is I have an apple. Next question. What does hungry mean? What does hungry mean? Tired, angry, needing food, full. The correct answer is needing food. Next question. Choose the correct sentence. She can sing. She can sing. She can sing. She can to sing. The correct answer is she can sing. C. Next question. We blank to the park yesterday. Go, goes, went, going. The correct answer is we went to the park yesterday. Next question. What is the correct form? I blank TV now. Watch, watching. I'm watching, watch. The correct answer is I am watching TV. I am watching TV. Next, choose the correct word. This is blank book. My, mine, me, I. The correct answer is this is my book. This is my book. Next question. What is a synonym of fast? Slow, late, quick, early. The correct answer is early. So what's your score out of 15? Comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.